How's it going, everybody? Jeremy here with EMAX Compressor, and today we're going to be talking about our maintenance kits, where to buy them, and why they're so dang important. Now, we all know that keeping up with maintenance on anything mechanical is going to pay off dividends in the long run, especially with something like an air compressor. Now, our air compressors have already been shipped to you with a break-in oil in them, and it's good for up to about 70 run hours. After 70 hours, we highly recommend you change over to our high-end synthetic oil that we have, as well as going ahead and changing out your oil filter if you have a pressure loop system. Now, one thing to note here, I'm not telling you to change your oil in your compressor every 70 hours. It's just the first oil change, your initial 70-hour break-in period. After you do that, you're good for another 1,000 hours or 6 months, whichever one comes first. Now, when you go to order your maintenance kit, all the information that you're going to need is actually located on that silver ID tag on the front of your compressor. You can call us directly at 937-540-1140, or you can visit our website at emaxcompressor.com, and we'll be able to help you out and get you the right kit for your individual application. Now, one thing that we offer for our customers is actually an Autoship feature where every 6 months a new maintenance kit is actually sent directly to you so that you're not having to worry about, is it time to change it? Have I already ordered it? When was the last time that we changed it? As a shop guy, I personally understand that sometimes you get busy and sometimes that one piece of paper that you need, you can't find. The Autoship feature is nice because it keeps you in time on changing out your filters, changing out your oil, and keeping up with your maintenance schedule to keep everything running smoothly and also keeping you in warranty. Thanks for checking out EMAX Compressor. Talk to you soon.